Today, I'm reviewing the Delta Finnridge Brushed Gold Kitchen Faucet, also known as the Champagne Bronze model. And this one isn't just about looks. Stick around, because Delta added some smart features here that might actually change how you clean your sink every day. Product features. Let's start with what makes this faucet stand out. The Finnridge comes with Delta's Pro Clean pull-down spray wand, which delivers a wide, high-pressure fan spray. This makes it much easier to blast away stuck-on food and rinse the sink faster. Inside, you get a ceramic disc valve that's tested for 500,000 uses, meaning smoother handle operation and fewer drips over time. The brushed gold, also called champagne bronze finish, uses Delta's Brilliance coating, engineered to resist corrosion at twice the industry standard, so it keeps its color and shine. Another big plus is magnetite magnetic docking, which snaps the sprayer securely back into place so it doesn't droop like cheaper faucets. Installation is simple with single-hole mounting, and it also fits 3-hole sinks using the included deck plate. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful Pro Clean spray covers more area faster. Durable ceramic valve for long-term reliability. Magnetic docking keeps the sprayer firmly in place. Corrosion-resistant brushed gold finish. Easy installation with deck plate included. Lifetime limited warranty for peace of mind. NSF/ANSI 61 certified and lead-free. Cons. Premium finish usually means a higher price. Brushed gold may not match all kitchen styles. Single-handle design offers less precise temp control than dual-handle faucets. Overall review? Overall, the Delta Finnridge Brushed Gold Kitchen Faucet is an excellent choice if you want modern design, strong performance, and long-term reliability from a trusted brand. It's best for homeowners upgrading a modern or luxury-style kitchen who want a faucet that's both beautiful and powerful, not just decorative. If this review helped you out, tap the like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen faucet reviews, and be sure to check the product link in the description to see the latest price and availability on the Delta Finnridge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.